Let's talk about the rapture of the church and the second coming. I feel like both terms are used almost interchangeably, but they actually mean two completely different things, two completely different events. So the rapture of the church will happen just before the tribulation, whereas the second coming will happen just before Armageddon and just before the millennial reign. The rapture is something that only believers will experience. We will be caught up in the air to meet the Lord. The dead in Christ will rise, and us who remain upon the earth will be caught up to meet him. So we will be the only ones that actually see him. Whereas in the second coming, all eyes will see him coming back to the earth in the clouds with glory. In the rapture, or during the rapture, I should say, the Lord is going to return for the children of God. But in the second coming, he is going to return to the earth with the children of God. The rapture will signify a time upon the earth called the tribulation. These are 7 years when God is going to pour his wrath out on the entire earth and the inhabitants thereof. But the second coming is something else. In the second coming, there will first be the Battle of Armageddon, and then 1,000 years of peace, known as the millennial reign, when Jesus himself will set up shop right here on the earth and rule for 1,000 years. During the rapture, he will not return to the earth. We will be caught up to meet him in the sky. However, in the second coming, his feet would actually land on the Mount of Olives, and many Bible scholars believe that there will be a very big earthquake during that time, and it is very possible. The rapture happens before the tribulation, but the second coming after the tribulation. All the signs have actually already been fulfilled in order for the rapture to happen, but there are some more signs that have to be fulfilled before the second coming. So be ready today. According to Titus 2:13, the rapture is the blessed hope of the church, of the believers, of the bride of Christ, whereas according to Revelation 19, the second coming will be the wrath of God poured out onto the entire earth. Make it in the rapture. Don't wait to see him for the second coming. It will be worth your while. Accept Jesus today.